This tutorial will demonstrate how to format a references page in APA. First, you will type references at the top of your paper and center it. It should be with a capital R. And you don't want to bold or italicize or make it any bigger than the rest of your paper. It should be 12 or 11 point font. You can highlight to center or simply press the center button when your cursor is on the word. Most students find it easiest to add citations as they find them. I have a few from a previous search that I will now format. I'm going to add one more citation as well. I have on another screen pulled up an EBSCOhost search. And we'll go over to the cite this function. Click on that and find APA. And from here, you want to just copy and paste. So Control C to copy. Go back to your paper. Control V as in vet to paste. Although the database citations are very reliable, it is a good idea to double check the citations for accuracy. It's often the case that there will be an unnecessary capital or even sometimes a misspelled name. Your citations should be in alphabetical order. It does not matter what type of source it is, meaning that sources from the web or print are mixed together, and you alphabetize based on the beginning of the entry, regardless if that's a person's name or an article title or an organization, as with this example, the University of Minnesota. So we're going to move a few things around, and we'll go up here. And we'll move T to above U. And there's still a few extra spaces. We're going to fix that next. APA requires hanging indents for citations. In order to do that, we will highlight the entries. And only the entries, you don't want to highlight the word references. And open the paragraph menu, this little button in paragraph. And find special, which is under indentation. Click on hanging. You don't need to change any of the defaults besides clicking hanging. And click this button if you haven't already done so for the paper to do not add space between paragraphs of the same style. And likewise, you want it to be double spaced when you complete your paper. And of course, click OK to make sure it happens. I'm going to get rid of some extra spaces in there. And if you haven't already done so, you'll need to also add a header, a page number with your title in it. So to do that, we'll go to Insert and go over to Page Number. I like to use this one. It requires less manual formatting because it will automatically format the page number. Click Top of Page because you want it at the top, and the third option over because we want it to be right aligned. And type your title and add a space so that there's a space between the title and the number. When things are right aligned, you're moving away from the right too. So sometimes that's a little confusing when you open it. You can go ahead and start typing. And then to close the header, either click up here or just double click into the paper.